Look, everyone talks about diversity like it's some kind of checkbox or a new marketing slogan. But here's the brutal truth. If diversity isn't your power core, your competitive edge, your secret weapon, it's just noise. You're probably feeling it right now. Stuck, frustrated, watching your teams fail to click, your investments stumble, your projects stall because sure, you brought in diverse people, but nothing in your culture really moves. The tension is real. The frustration of building something great, only to be held back by invisible walls between people. You're angry at how systems promise progress but deliver the same old mediocre results wrapped in buzzwords. Here's what no one tells you. Diversity only becomes power when it's not surface deep. Not just skin color or titles, but real, brutal acceptance of different thoughts, experiences, worldviews, and more so, when you engineer that collision of differences smartly. The problem is most leaders don't know how to do that. They invite the many, but never connect the few who can actually make an impact together. You're not missing talent. You lack the right connections, the kind of fierce, complementary relationships that tear down outdated norms and ignite breakthroughs. So how do you fix this? Stop trying to build diversity as a cluster of boxes checked on a form or as a PR campaign. Start treating it like a strategic business asset that demands continuous work and ruthless honesty. Step 1, zero tolerance for comfort zones. I mean it. If your team's not tearing apart ideas because of their differences, not because of egos, but because they actually challenge and elevate each other, you're wasting time. Create spaces where real conflict over ideas is expected and necessary. Don't stop diversity at recruitment. Make it the core of daily operation. Push people to test their beliefs, stretch their assumptions, and require everyone to learn from those clashes. Step 2, break down internal tribes. The moment you allow silos, whether by race, background, or role, you lose. Period. You've got to break these down aggressively, making different groups rely on one another to deliver value. Cross-functional, cross-cultural, cross-any-barrier teams that must prove their results together or fail. Only brutal accountability here. No hiding behind identity politics or any safe corners. This forces people to grow or get out. Step 3, invest in individual growth that leads to collective strength. Every person needs to be forced into mastery of their craft and understanding of others. Not just skills, but empathy, curiosity, and brutal self-honesty. This is the secret sauce. Diversity dies if you don't grow individuals who can handle the pressure and complexity of difference without shutting down or hiding. And here's a shocker for you. Your capital, your investments, your resources must follow this principle too. Put your money where ruthless, diverse excellence lives, not where comfortable legacy or identity politics hides. Demand measurable impact. Force those you fund to report not on diversity-checked boxes, but on how diversity moves their needle on growth, innovation, and competition. If you really want to wield diversity as society's new core power, stop playing by old rules. Stop looking for easy wins and sameness dressed up. Build an ecosystem where rare people from radically different paths collide, clash, and create. Make your networks exclusive, strategic, and tough. Few who must depend on each other fiercely, not the many who just coexist politely. You want freedom and impact beyond your current limits? It's not about being nice or inclusive as slogans. It's raw, uncomfortable, necessary work of building real connections, pushing beyond inherited boundaries, tearing apart your assumptions about leadership and belonging. That's where the real power lies, in the few who can master this complexity and use diversity to remake the future. The choice is yours. Settle for a hollow illusion of progress and get stuck, or step into this brutal game and actually make diversity the engine that drives your success and reshapes society. No shortcuts, no excuses, only results. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to learn more.